A dream I know, deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Hello reality viewers, welcome back again to Reality Latest Gist, the home of news and politics. For this channel, we dey drop news every day and we dey react to every videos wey comes our way. And na reality news na we dey drop for this channel, and we dey also dey talk am as e be. If today na the first time we be say you dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, I appreciate all of una for una massive support to this channel. I say may God bless all of una in Jesus name. Amen. I get video wey I want present to una this very moment, and I go dey follow una dey watch the video. After we don watch am together, make we drop our opinion constructively for the comment section. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
I know my voice is loud, but that is the way I am. That's the way I am. I cannot recreate myself. So all I advise you to do is to, whenever you see me, just lower the volume of your device, because I have to tell it to you the way you will stand up in the morning, you hear my voice, you wake up. You wake up, the sleep will disappear. And what am I talking about? I am talking about what Nnamdi Kanu stands for. He stands for when you start, don't stop. If you start, sit at home, don't stop until you get the results. If you say there's no election, don't stop until you get the results. Who bears? My brother writes who bears. Don't stop. Do you understand? If you want us to block the embassies tomorrow, then nobody in Nigerian embassy, the whole world will go to work. That is action, brother. You tell people in Europe, the whole embassy in Nigeria, that we should go there and stand on the door. Nobody is going into the embassy. Nobody is coming out. For example, Europe first. Let's start it here. Let's start it here first. Nobody is going in, nobody is coming out. If it's that one that we are going to do, I have suggested, let me tell you guys before I finish, I have suggestions what we can do immediately. Number one, all of us, let's change our profile picture to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because that is the command and control from DOS. The same DOS I'm talking about. They say we should change our profile picture to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I have done my own 4 months ago. That is the command and control. Let's do it. That's number one. Number two, the economic sanction Simon Ekpa is talking about. Whether you call him dwarf, whether you call him Oda, whether you call him autopilot, he is talking about economic sanction where Nigerian government, you are governors. So Okezi Ikpeazu will not benefit from the money that is being generated in other states. Hope Uzodinma will not benefit from the money they generated in Imo State. Economic sanction. The governors will not benefit, the Nigerian state will not benefit from the money that is being generated on a daily basis. That is economic sanction. And I support that. That is number two. We have to activate it immediately, not tomorrow. Not this tomorrow, immediately. Since you say you are clever, you know I'm very stupid. You that is clever, now it's time for you now to use that your intelligence and tell us the best way to apply this economic sanction for it to be effective. That is why you are engineer and doctor. You know I'm not now. I'm just a ranter. I'm ranting on social media. So since you are the one that is clever, tell us how can we apply this economic sanction for it to be effective. Tell us how. Crack your brain. Nnamdi Kanu told us to be cracking brain. In case you listen to Nnamdi Kanu, when after you gossip, in case you listen to him, he told us to be cracking our brain. Crack your brain as a professor. Tell us the best way, the best strategy to imply this economic sanction. That is number two. Number three, everybody go to church. Everybody love their pastors. Tell your pastor, lobby your pastor, 5 people. Tell your pastor you want to see him. Go to his house, cook a pussy soup. Tell him, Pastor, sir, if you go to Sunday Simon, Sunday whatever preaching, talk about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu so that we can post it online. Take the congregation. Let the whole pastors and the reverend sisters, reverend fathers in Biafra land know that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is talking for your children. Start with that. Lobby them. Tell them to talk about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Use Father Mbaka as an example. If 50 pastors, all these Odumeje, all these useless pastors that is deceiving you, if all of them start to talk about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as religious leaders, they have power in the community. You read about Moses. Moses take the Israelites. Moses come and tell Red Sea open. Red Sea open. Moses and Israelites. Genesis chapter 1 verse 10 said Moses do that. Is Moses not a man of God? What is your own man of God doing? What is your own man of God doing? You read about Moses, Hezekiah in the Bible, Jesus Christ from Nazareth. Now your own Jesus in the name of Mazenam Khan is dying in the prison and you are telling me Jesus of Nazareth. Tell your pastors. Tell your pastors to talk about Mazenam Khan. Tell them today. Go to their profile picture, go to their YouTube page, Facebook page, comment. Tell them, is it not time for you to stand with Mazenam Khan like a Father Mbaka? Tell them. That is what's number 3. Number 4. All of us living in Europe that is always ranting and shouting, including me. All of us living in Europe that is ranting. This is now our own turn. We're supposed to organize a protest everywhere in the world the same time, the same day. We lock up the whole world. Nobody's going anywhere. All of us. South Africa, everywhere. Nobody's moving anywhere. They tell us 2 hours. We say 2 hours, no problem. We stay there the whole day. Angela Merkel will look out from her window. She will call the president of China. President of China will say, Chich and Chomp, look at what I'm seeing. They say Biafra or dead. They say referendum now. That is what we're supposed to do. Tell your DOS. DOS, command and control. Tell them that stupid man called Avis, this is what he said. Let them say it. Let them, we start to mobilize. We ranting in social media. We that is in Europe, we have to make a demonstration everywhere in the world, the same time, the same day. We will lock up the whole world. We will use money to boost the videos on social media. We will make sure that when Mark Zuckerberg opens his Facebook, all he will see is Biafran agitation. Do you understand? Now hate me if you like. Who vets? Hate me now. Now we cannot say you should be fanatic about Biafra, not structure. Simon Ekwerima. Is that being fanatic? Is that being fanatic? How many points have I given you? How many points have I given you? Change your profile picture so that when you go to Boris Johnson page, when everybody, 20 million Biafrans go on the Boris Johnson page and call him idiot, kidnapper. Okay, let's not insult him. Let's be diplomatic. Let's go to his page and tell him, what are you doing about a UK citizen? Then he will see the profile picture of 20 million Biafrans telling him that your citizen is being kidnapped in Kenya. That is profile picture. Pictures and videos speak louder than anything. My brother said 4 points. My brother Val, you are writing it down. But do you know what, Val? You are DOS. They will see this video. They will say that boy ranting on Facebook, that useless boy. You know, they are so arrogant. That useless boy. They will not even think about what is the guy saying. Okay, the guy is saying that we can make a demonstration and we can coordinate this, our coordinators. You know, they have regional coordinators, UK coordinators. We can call all of them. We can arrange it in a way that this protest, we can do it everywhere in the world. We can talk to the Ambazonians to join us so that we have more crowd. We can talk to the Oduduwa people to join us so that instead of 1 million people, it will be 3 million people. That is brain. People that have sense. That is what they're supposed to talk. How can we? They are doing patch. You do here today in Rome, tomorrow in France. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. But when you put the world at ransom, nobody is going anywhere. What do you want? A referendum on the release of Mazenam Khan? They say you should go. Police come. You tell them we are not going anywhere. Police come. They say you are not going anywhere. In Berlin here, during NSAS protest, there was a protest in Berlin. I didn't went there to go and agitate for Nigeria. I went there because Nigerian state shot the citizens of Nigeria. That is why I went to the protest. Because injustice done to one is injustice done to all. And I am against injustice. I went to the protest. I didn't know that the organizers, they have only 1 hour to protest. After the 1 hour, police said we should leave. I told the police I'm not going anywhere. The video is on my page. page on Facebook. It's on YouTube as well. I think somebody reposted it on YouTube. They came with 20 police with Nazi police, 20, to force me out. Do you know what I did? I sat down on the bare floor. Okay, so many, I don't know. I sat down on the floor. I told them, listen, I pay my tax. I pay my tax. I have my papers. So I am entitled to stay here as long as I want. So I'm not going anywhere. I want you to honor. It's not about ranting. If I can do it because of NSAS, people that are talking about Nigeria, then what about people talking about Biafra? You think I'm one of all these gates people in IPOP? Gates, what they call them, doctor, engineer, what they call them. This one is doctor, this one is engineer, this one is gateman. It's not about being gateman, it's about action. I have told them, if they want me to get the permission for the whole Germany, I will do it with my name. How many times have I told you guys this? But the DOS, they will listen to this video. They will listen to this video. 100% they will listen to this video. One of them will send one of them this. They will look at it, they say, that useless boy, he don't know anything. We are the DOS. But they forgot that you can get an idea from your gate man and implement that idea in your company. My brother Val, you say 4 points. That's the 4th point. Then the number 5th point. What was it again? What was it again? Then we should implement. The only thing I'm saying is back to back. It's not you do this one today, you do this one tomorrow. As you are changing your profile picture that will take 1 minute to change, you are going on Boris Johnson, what they call it, platform, you are commenting. The same time you are going on, what is the other useless one name from America? Joe Biden. You go on Joe Biden profile, you are commenting. 70 million people are doing it the same time. As you are doing it, your girls that are pastors are brushing. As they are brushing the pastors, they will be telling them, talk about Nnamdi Kanu. The same minute is happening. The Mama Nkechi, Mama Nneka that cook a whistle soup for pastor. You cook soup for pastor that minute. Immediately the pastor is coming out from brushing that choir girl. You are giving him the whistle soup. You are telling the pastor to talk about Nnamdi Kanu. This thing is happening the same day. As it's happening the same day, DOS and all of them and the doctors, engineers, the gatemen, they are making meeting, organizing the protest in Europe. It is happening the same time. And I call peke here. 4th point, then the economic sanction. As we are doing it in Biafra land, sit at home, total lockdown of Biafra land. Then you are telling me that you want Nigerian government to come and arrest people that are enforcing sit at home. We will tell our people sit at home. Everybody has to sacrifice. I have told you I will sacrifice from where I am. Then in Biafra land, sit at home, complete lockdown. How many points, Val? Val, my brother, is now 5 points, Abi. Sit at home. Economic sanction. Nobody is going to pay tax to any governor. Come on, as we are doing it, we are talking to Alab International Market, Idumot International Market, all these big markets. We are telling the brothers, please help us. Make una close this market for 1 day on a Monday. Imagine Alab International Market, lock up Alab International Market. Idumot and lock up Idumot International Market. In Biafra land, sit at home, sanction everywhere. Demonstration everywhere in the whole world. The pastors are talking. But the DOS, they will not do it. They will give you biscuit to come and attack me. That is what they will do tomorrow. Tomorrow now you will hear my name everywhere, in every platform. They will say that boy in Germany that have big nose. They will tell you, they will describe me that my eye is big, my nose is big, my teeth is big. They will talk about me from morning till night. Just because I'm telling you, I'm giving you 5 points we should do back to back. As I'm talking to you now, next week it will start. Bam, 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 bam. We slap them from every angle. Lock up Biafra land. I'm not all there, man. The demonstration sees the whole world. Nobody's moving anywhere. Either we're going to do it, or we keep on ranting on social media till time indefinite. I have said this to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu during NSAS protest. I called in. I told him, Nnamdi Kanu, is it not good that everywhere in the world we do a demonstration Because I know what Nnamdi Kanu was trying to achieve. Nnamdi Kanu was trying to use that NSAS protest to agitate for referendum because he knows Nigeria goes to government cannot meet the demand of the youth. That is what he wants to do. He's a clever man. I said, Nnamdi Kanu, is it not better we do a demonstration everywhere in the world, the same time, the same. Nnamdi Kanu told me on phone, on Radio Biafra. He said that we have to wait at least 3 weeks. Let's see if Nigerian youth will push this thing up to 3 weeks. That is, he said, he told me, my brother, we are here to teach each other. That is what he said from his mouth. Where is water? Wait, oh, should be everybody's swearing with water. Now let me swear my own. Where is water? Where is also So here is water. Hardcore people always swear with water. After they take oath, they will come be swearing with water. Here's water. As I called Nnamdi Kanu on Radio Biafra, I told him that we should do a demonstration everywhere in the world, the same time, the same minute, we lock up the whole world. Nnamdi Kanu told me on his words, that is a very good idea, my brother. He paused. Then he said, we are here to teach each other. If he didn't say this, any day I drink water. How did they do that? Is it before or after the oath? If he didn't say this, any day I drink water, let that day be the